Hi, today we are super excited to show you this foil art kit. This is a craft that is going to be fun, engaging, and great to do with your kids, or if they're older, they can do it by themselves. It comes with 100 forms of stickers. So these are all stickers, and then you can take them so they can each have their own board and do it at the same time. But you are going to remove part of the sticker, and then this is the foil that comes with it. You're going to put that over there. Make sure that it's on really well, and you just move it around. We will do it together in just a moment. Take it off, and then it becomes a nice sticker that you are able to place on one of the 10 picture canvases so they can make their own creative world. It has all kinds of things: animals, dinosaurs, sea creatures. It also comes with 100 different color foil sheets. So these are the foil sheets. There's 100 in here, and there's lots of different colors that you're able to choose from. You do have 30 googly eyes to be able to put on your characters to make it even more engaging. But like I said, you start with the first step of making this sticker, and then you also can take this one off, choose a different color, maybe pink, put it on there, and then once you're done, take it off and stick it onto your canvas, making a design that is going to be fun, engaging, and something that kids are going to love to do over and over again.